Hello, today's plant is Garrya elliptica, which is otherwise known as the silk tassel plant. It has another name, the quinine plant. It's a Californian plant. It's grown because it has these silver green catkins which hang down in the winter. These are typically from December to around about March. There's a variety called James Roof, and the catkins on this one are about 20 centimetres long. They're really quite long. They look fantastic. And the whole plant is covered with them. It looks kind of like icicles or water falling off them. And yeah, they're a lovely silver greenish kind of colour. And on top of dark green leaves, so the leaves are around about this size, kind of roundish, dark and wavy, kind of like crimped on the edge. And it's evergreen for the rest of the year. It grows in any kind of soil, so chalk, sand, clay, all of those. It's tolerant of shade in particular. I've grown it in dry shade. It hasn't kind of produced so much tassels, but you know, it's kind of worked. And it's from California, so it's used to sort of dry conditions. And it's a great plant. It grows to around about 4 meters high. It takes a little while to get there, so that's kind of like 10 years. It tends to grow in sort of long branches with the tassels hanging down. It's not evenly shaped or, you know, like a sort of bush, but it's kind of irregular. And it looks really interesting, I think, in the sense that it's kind of got that mystery look to it. It's a very nice one. The ones that were grown to James Roof with the long catkins on male, you don't really get the female plants. They're not quite as attractive. Sorry ladies, it's just the way it is. But it goes very well with, I like it with viburnum tinus, because the Garrya arches out over the top in sort of various directions and tends to be a bit sort of sparse at the bottom. You put viburnum tinus underneath it, and that flowers at the same time, so all across winter. So you get the white flowers of the white, and with the pinker varieties as well, you get the white and the pink, and then you've got the silver tassels hanging down. It's a really good combination, one which I'd advise you checking out, and yeah, give it a go. Other than that, I don't know what else I can tell you. There's very few problems with it. Occasionally it gets like a leaf spot, fungal problems, not so much a problem. You can prune those bits off in around about April is a good time to prune them after they've done their flower. So there you have it, Garrya elliptica, the silk tassel plant. If you have any other questions about it, please leave something in the comments and I'll see if I can answer them for you. Thank you very much.